Hello, my beautiful Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing good, great, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for appreciating it. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your general reading for the month of March 2021. This is the last reading for the month of March 2021. Okay, then the April will start. Okay. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. While doing your shuffling, while doing your meditation, before recording your video, I was getting the card of yin and yang several times. Some kind of major changes are coming for you, Aquarius. That's the message which I was getting while doing meditation. Maybe it is related to work. For some of you it is related to the work. Okay, but some kind of major changes are coming for you, that is for sure. But you need to keep your courage with you. Okay, so let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages, what are the general messages for the month of March 2021 for Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important for Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Let's start. Family. Okay. So the first message for you is family. What are the messages? See, I told you yin and yang was coming again and again, again and again and again. Okay. So many of you, this is the general reading. Okay, this is not your love reading, but I am getting that you are going to get, union with your divine counterpart, whether it is male or female. Gender is not specific, and here I can see that yin and yang is here. So you are now going to make a family, a happy family. 10 of cups energy with your divine counterpart. You both are getting reunited, reconciliation. Maybe you're getting married to with your twin flame, with your yin and yang. Okay, and here I can see 15 number is here, and here I'm having 30. So yes, you both are going to start a family, a happy family, happy life with your, say it wants to come out. Travel is here again. Many of you are going to do travel. Maybe your person will travel to see you. Okay, that can be a possibility here, but I'm not going to take it. So let's start. Let's see what are the more messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Wow, new beginnings. I told you new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Changes are coming for you. Huge, big, positive changes are coming for you. New beginnings are coming in your life, and that's beautiful. In your family life, if you are not married with your twin flame, with your yin and yang, with your soulmate, whatever you want to name it, now you are going to get married here. Now you are going to meet. If you have not met them yet, you are going to meet them here. Okay, they are, and if you are in separation with them, they are going to have a new beginnings. You are going to have a new beginnings. That is beautiful. Bottom of the deck, I'm having see prosperity and marriage. I told you many of you are going to get married here with your twin flame. You and your yin and yang. Prosperity is coming for you. You and your yin and yang are going to start a family together. That's the message which I was getting here. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Walk Your Light Oracle. Okay, see, your guidance is divinely guided, Aquarius. Okay, so whatever is happening in your life, that is happening according to divine. Okay, according to the divine plan. Transformation. Many of you are going through a transformation. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of March 2021? Give me the messages. while doing meditation also I was getting this message. Answer the call. What is your soul calling you to do? So you need to answer the call. See, 0505 was the recording reading time. Big changes are coming for you, Aquarius. Your soul is trying to tell you something. Okay, you just need to answer the soul calling. Your soul is trying to tell you something. Bottom of the deck, I'm having play, have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious. Okay, and one more message I was getting is that maybe some of you Aquarius are thinking a lot, so you have to stop overthinking. That was the message which I was getting. Stop overthinking, Aquarius. Okay, so yes, answer your call is the message. Then there is mint taken, and trust your path. If you would know you would be supported, what would you do? Okay, so you just need to keep your trust in the divine plan, trust in your path, and keep moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Many of you are longing for home belonging. You are the original light workers. I told you always in my readings that many of you Aquarius are the star seeds, are the light workers here. So maybe you are thinking that you do not belong here, you belong from any other places. Okay, you are longing for home, and that the reason why are you thinking that is because you are the original light workers here. Okay, you are the original light workers. Can you see, maybe you are spending alone time. In both of the pictures, the lady, the girl is sitting alone and thinking a lot. That's the message I was getting for you, that you have to stop thinking, because you are thinking and contemplating a lot. You are overthinking the things. Okay, so stop overthinking, Aquarius. You are overthinking the things. You just need to see, I just cut it out. I remember soul plan, the fated life versus the destiny life. Beautiful. See, I told you, whatever is now happen is going to happen in your life, that is written in your destiny. That is written, that has been divinely guided by the divine. Trust your plan. Okay, you need to answer your soul calling. Your soul is trying to tell you something, Aquarius. You need to answer that, and you need to trust your path. Okay, you are supported. You are not alone at all, because you are the golden children of the divine. Here you are having rare gifts, rare talents, rare abilities, unique gifts. Okay, so that was the message from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the double mission. I told you, light workers, starseed, serve the world by being you. I'm going to take this card here. I told you this, that you are having, many of you are the star seeds, the light workers. 0808 was the recording reading time. You are here on this planet Earth to spread peace, love, light, harmony. Okay, so you are the original light workers. You are having double mission, Aquarius. You are the original light workers, star seeds. You are here to serve the world here. Okay, can you see, the message is very much clear. Beautiful message is here, the double mission. You are the star seed, you are the light workers, and because of that, maybe you are thinking that I don't belong from here. Maybe you are thinking like that, but don't worry. Okay, because you have done this before here. Lost land, soul memories and gifts, you have done this before. Do not worry at all. Stop overthinking. You have done this before also. Let's see what are the messages. See, I told you this message, the golden children. You are the golden children of the divine. Okay, you are having rare gifts, the innocence, the tenderness, and many of you have to heal your inner child. Listen to your inner child, Aquarius. Okay, you are the golden children of the divine. See, it just want to come out. I told you, you are not alone. See, the same messages here, bottom of the deck. You are not alone, Aquarius. Do not feel that you are alone. There is isolation, physical connection, and community. Maybe you are, I told you, maybe some of you Aquarius are right now thinking and contemplating a lot. Okay, you're thinking a lot. Maybe you are living alone here, living alone. You're not spending time with friends. You have cut yourself from the world, and you're spending time alone with your own self, and you're thinking that you are alone. That's why I told you that you are not alone, Aquarius. If you are thinking that you are alone, no, you are not alone. Okay, and this wants to come out again. I remember. Okay, soul plan, the fated life versus the destiny life. This is your soul plan. Okay, which is happening in your life. Whatever is happening in your life, that is the soul plan of you, Aquarius. This is the fated life versus the destiny life. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Cards are, the messages are, they are basically speaking it. The energy is very much beautiful, Aquarius. It's very much beautiful. New beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, you remember, maybe you do not remember, but your soul remembers everything. Trust your path. Okay, trust your path and move in a forward direction. Don't overthink. Okay, maybe this is a particular message for someone who is listening this video, who will listen this video. Okay, you are overthinking it. That's it. But beautiful energies are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, new beginnings are coming for you. You are the original light workers and the star seeds. You are here to serve the world. Okay, you need to answer the call. See, answer the call in double mission. You have to serve the world here. You are the light, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from See Intuition. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from the Unicorn cards. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Look for the unexpected today surprise. Some kind of surprise is coming for you, Aquarius, and that's the new beginning here. There is surprise, 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 which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, some kind of surprise is coming your way. Beautiful. And there is feather. This calling card from unicorns tells you that they are near. Maybe you can see the feather here, okay, near you. And there is a message from the unicorns that you are not alone. They are with you, Aquarius. Okay, so there is feather here, and there is mystery here. Explore the unknown. The unexpected awaits you, and that's right. Trust in the unknown, because the unknown is waiting for you, Aquarius. There is some kind of mystery which is going to solve. You will solve that mystery here. Can you see in this picture there is a hand here which is coming out of from the cave, and this boy is going towards that hand, and there is here I we cannot see that whose hand is here, and there is a mystery of this hand, but you have to explore the unknown so that you can get to know that whose hand is there. Okay, so you need to trust your plan. That's why here it is that you have to trust your plan, Aquarius. Trust your path, trust your journey, because beautiful things are waiting for you. Trust your path. Beautiful messages from the unicorn. Thank you, unicorns, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Scared Traveler Oracle card. I love your reading. Today's reading is very much beautiful, Aquarius. It is very much beautiful. What are the messages? Bottom of the deck, I'm having enjoy your journey, wandering path. Enjoy the journey, Aquarius. Whatever journey you are on, enjoy your journey. Beautiful messages here. The first message for you is surrender to the journey. Release control. Okay, you need to release control here. That's the message which I'm getting for you. You need to surrender yourself to the journey. Trust your path, that everything is happening according to the divine, okay, according to the divine plan, and divine is taking care of your journey. Then there is cleansing water. Purification activates vibrant life force. So you have to clear up your energy. You can take bath, okay, that will help you out in purification of your energies, and that will activate beautiful energies inside of you. And there is view from above. Get the big picture. Get the big picture. Change your perspective. See the picture from a higher perspective. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. I love it. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Flow. Flow is here. That means go with the flow. And if you listen the voices of kids in the background, I'm sorry for that, because kids are there in my home who are playing. So I'm sorry if you listen the voices of kids. Okay, so the flow message is here. Okay, so you just need to flow. Go with the flow, Aquarius. Okay, some kind of truth is coming for you, Aquarius. Just go with the flow. Some kind of truth is coming for you, and you will receive some kind of truth, and maybe that's the surprise. And after listening to this truth, you will see that what kind of truth is this. This is the surprise. You are not expecting this truth. Okay, so yes, some kind of truth is coming for you here. You just need to go with the flow. Trust your path. Go with the flow. That's the very, very clear message from the divine, from the universe, that you need to go with the flow, Aquarius. Okay, so this is the message from this deck. Let me add some messages from the Scared Oracle. Let me see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of March. Find your scared flow. See, again the same message is here. Go with the flow. Find your scared flow. Fill your cup with scared giggles. Any other message for Aquarius? Your soul shines. Your soul shines. Your soul is shining here. You need to trust in the divine. Okay, find your thing and just go with the flow. You are right now shining, Aquarius. Your soul is shining here. You need to find your scared flow here again. Just go with the flow. Do things which your soul loves. Okay, which creates happiness inside your souls. Maybe that if you love to cook, you can cook. If you love to dance, you can dance. If you love to do anything, do that thing which creates happiness inside your soul. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from the colors. Okay, build your confidence and develop your mental clarity. Cyan and purple. So you have to build your confidence. Okay, keep your confidence with you. You can use this color too, clan. Build your confidence, keep your confidence, and move in a forward direction, Aquarius. And there is purple. Develop mental clarity here. I told you that you are thinking a lot. Maybe there is a specific message for someone who is listening. You are thinking a lot, Aquarius. Stop overthinking. Stop getting trapped in your own mind thoughts. Develop mental clarity here. So these two color messages are here from this deck, and these are beautiful messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. I love it. There are beautiful things which are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay. Let me see. Let me get out these cards first. Let me see what are the messages from the Divine Abundance Oracle deck. Let's add some message from this deck. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of self-love and compassionship? Let the wall fall that separates you from your own vulnerable inner child. I long to take care of yourself like never before. See, self-love is indicated here. You need to love yourself first, Aquarius, okay? You have to do your healing, okay? Love yourself first. That's the message which I'm getting here. Then there is companionship. Giving someone your complete presence is an astonishing gift. Beautiful. Can you see how these two animals are loving each other? Beautiful. And this is the symbol of which I am getting from this here, that here, the yin yang, your twin flame, your soulmate, okay? Your divine counterpart is coming back for you, Aquarius. This is not the love reading, but the message which I'm getting here, I can tell you that. So this is the message from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Okay, I was going to shuffle, but these three wants to come out. I express my gratitude. Make gratitude your spiritual practice today, Aquarius. Okay, whatever you are having in your life, always feel gratitude and say thank you, Divine, for giving me these beautiful things. You need to express your gratitude here. Then there is I love life and life loves me. When you feel envy or lack, say to yourself that I love life and life loves me. Be in love with your life. Let life bless you today. Okay. Then there is I choose to live with ease. Life does not have to be as difficult as you sometimes make it. Okay. So you just need to say these words to yourself so that this will help you out. Okay. These were I choose to live with ease. So this was the messages. Let's add some messages from this deck of astrology reading deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. And in this deck, I'm going to tell you which planet. This is the planet card which I'm going to use it. So this is the activation of these planets which is affecting you or which is benefiting you. That you can take according to your situation and leave the rest if it is not resonating. Okay. So let's see what are the planets which are affecting you, which are helping you out. Help me out to give the messages for Aquarius. Give me the messages. So Neptune energy is here. Your fantasies, yearning, longing and potential for illusions. Beautiful message. Then there is Mercury. How you think, communicate, write, talk and travel. So these two planets are affecting you basically, the Mercury and the Neptune. The way you write, the way you think, the way you manifest, okay? These two will help you out. And maybe this is either it is helping you or it is affecting you. So these two are the planets which are there in your reading here, Neptune and Mercury. How you think, write, talk or travel, the Mercury help you out in that. And there is Neptune, whatever you manifest, you are having fantasies, longing and potential, the Neptune is here. So beautiful message from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some message from Crazy Love Notes deck and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Decide. Maybe many of you are getting to see the feathers. Okay, here it's time to make a decision. Being on the fence drains your energy. No matter what you choose, it will be the exact right thing for your spiritual path, Aquarius. Channel your energy, be decisive, learn, grow, and decide. So you need to decide here, Aquarius, which is very clear message from this deck. So this was your general reading for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Till the time, take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love, healing light and beautiful energies to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.